We did it. We made it out of the hospital with our brand new baby. We are so beyond excited to be home in our own bed. We brought her home just in time for all of the flowers to start blooming. Spring is in the air. And this is how the first night went with her. My nipples were so sore. They were literally cracked and bleeding. And so I was pumping and then feeding her everything I pumped, which was kind of cool because I could see exactly how much milk I was getting. Every time I would pump, my mom would come up and hang out with me and sit on my bed and hold baby for me. Devron's parents were in town too, and they were cooking us the most amazing meals.
I'm currently terrified about getting in and out of this bed with the amount of pain I'm in right now from my C-section. We're trying all different sleep situations and swaddles and stuff. We decided to go with the Halo sleep swaddle tonight.
Thank you for this step.
I just pumped 45 mLs for the first time.
I was also using Meta honey patches to heal my nipples and taking ibuprofen and Tylenol around the clock. Movement was literally so painful and I was in and out of bed all night. We had everything completely set up before we ever got home, and so you would think that the first night would be a breeze, but it was a struggle. Even figuring out how this diaper pill worked, I was like, do I push this button? Do I push down? What do I do here? How do I do this? We were definitely feeling the growing pains and just figuring everything out and trying to start to get a routine down. Tomorrow we're meeting with my lactation consultant. We are going to work on my latch and I'm praying it becomes less painful. We got the Kikaroo baby changing table and we set up a little changing station in our bathroom between our sinks. And I was trying every outfit on her, trying to find something that would fit. And we had some blowouts, so yeah, that's how the first night went. When I was pregnant, I knew for sure that the first thing I would do is put the outlet monitor on her as soon as we got home. That did not happen, but I was using my pump a lot, and we also had her sleeping in her Snuggle Me, which she absolutely loved. The hatch is incredible for white noise. I love the ocean feature. And I was just so relieved that I wasn't pregnant anymore, that I had delivered my baby and that the birth was behind me. You never think that you're going to end up birthing your baby in a C-section. I always pictured having a vaginal delivery and pulling my baby up on my chest right after delivery. I had to accept the fact that my delivery turned out in a C-section and that I would have to find a way to get through this recovery. Bringing home a newborn and forming routines is really hard in itself, but doing it when you're recovering from surgery is just a different beast. If I could tell you one thing, it's to give yourself grace on that first night and just soak in every moment, stare into your baby's eyes, and it gets better and you get through it, you form a routine, and you kind of forget about the growing pains of the first night like it's a thing of the past. And to just remember that they'll never be this little again.